Fed judge to deliberate dismissing Adams' case after hearing motion arguments. A federal judge said Wednesday that he would deliberate on whether to grant the Justice Department's motion to dismiss Mayor Eric Adams' federal corruption case after hearing arguments from both Adams' attorney and a top DOJ official. U.S. District Court Judge Dale Ho put both acting Deputy Attorney General Emil Bove and Adams' criminal defense attorney Alex Spiro through a bevy of questions during a Wednesday afternoon hearing in Manhattan federal court aimed at assessing why the charges are being dropped. The hearing took roughly 90 minutes to complete. Afterward, Mayor Adams moved quickly out of the courthouse and back into a waiting vehicle without taking questions from reporters. Ho taking additional time before making a decision complicates matters for both Governor Kathy Hochul and other top New York Democrats as pressure mounts on them to remove Adams from office. Adams has faced a torrent of backlash from fellow elected, fearful that he is now in the thrall of Trump following the DOJ's move to dismiss his case without prejudice, meaning it could resurrect the charges at any time. Hochul held a parade of meetings with top city officials and political figures on Tuesday to discuss whether to remove Adams following the resignations of 4 deputy mayors on Monday. But Hochul and those she met with all said they would wait to see what Ho decided before making any further moves regarding Adams' removal. Despite the turmoil at City Hall, Judge Ho maintained he would carefully examine all arguments presented on Wednesday and render a decision of his own schedule. I'm going to take everything said today under consideration, Ho said during the hearing. I'm not going to shoot from the hip right now on the bench. After assessing that Adams was mentally competent, Ho asked the mayor, who was under oath, if he understood the terms of the dismissal motion and that it was being sought without prejudice, meaning that the Justice Department could resurrect the case against him at any time. The mayor said he did. Yet Adams has repeatedly claimed, including in a speech last week, that his case is over because the DOJ dropped the charges. Both made it clear that, barring a certain standard limitations, it is possible at the department's discretion that the DOJ could bring back the charges at any time. He added that the motion to dismiss allows the Justice Department to keep investigating Adams if it wishes to. Furthermore, the judge asked Adams under oath if he had agreed to the terms of the dismissal without being coerced into agreement, and that he did not engage in a quid pro quo. Adams said under oath, "Not at all, Your Honor." The mayor's sworn comments contradict accusations by former acting Manhattan U.S. Attorney Daniel Sassoon in a letter she sent to U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi last week. accusing both parties of engaging in a quid pro quo. Sassoon charged that Adams' legal team and the DOJ traded his cooperation with Trump's deportation agenda for dropping the charges against him. Sassoon sent the letter after refusing to comply with both's request to dismiss the case and resigning instead. Several other DOJ officials who were asked to write the dismissal motion also refused and resigned until one prosecutor finally volunteered to write it. Spiro and DOJ officials have both fiercely disputed the accusations. Both said Adams' comment in court represents a very clear record that there was no quid pro quo. That's all I have to say for this video.